This is your Friday afternoon weather webcast update. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa. A little bit of lake effect snow pushing into southwestern parts of the state. Otherwise, the scattered snow showers continue up north and kind of wedged in between in the areas that saw the heaviest of the snowfall. We've enjoyed some sunshine, a chance to melt a little bit of that ice off of the pavement as well as areas of your driveway and your back porch. From there, we're going to continue to see things generally dry up through the remainder of the afternoon. And eventually with fair skies, we will see temperatures drift back into the teens to lower 20s with the breeze still holding on. Pretty brisk westerly wind out there right now. That will start to lighten through the afternoon and eventually go down to just a 5 to 10 mile an hour breeze overnight tonight. Good deal of sunshine as we start the day tomorrow. Next system, a moisture starved system moving out of areas of the northern tier of the U.S. and southern parts of Canada. That starts to arrive later tomorrow afternoon, and as quickly as 3 or 4 o'clock there will be a few areas of light snow trying to develop, and you notice this starts to push through later tomorrow evening. Could be a light coating to maybe an inch or two of accumulation out of that before pulling away. This could be timed in time for the New Year's Eve celebrations, as well as the chance when we continue to flip the calendar over to the next calendar year later on tomorrow night. From there, we should give way to some sunshine for your Sunday. Temperatures tomorrow will be in the 20s to lower 30s, and then we'll be in the 30s to lower range of the 40s on your Sunday afternoon. After a chilly start on Monday, good deal of sunshine. Of course, that all ahead of the next system that would try to arrive on Tuesday. Temperatures in the 30s to lower 40s for the first half of next week. So as that system gets here, if it arrives early enough in the day on Tuesday, could be a little bit of a wintry mix. Otherwise, we're looking at rain for Tuesday across a good part of the state before clearing out on Wednesday.